People ask me all the time, like, what do you eat in a day? And the reality is, it's become such a lifestyle for me that I enjoy the fact that I can do so many different things on the keto diet. My breakfast, or sometimes lack thereof if I'm fasting, is pretty straightforward. It's usually like some form of, keto coffee, where I'm gonna be doing like some coffee with a little bit of coconut oil, possibly a little bit of ghee and a little bit of collagen, kind of whip that up in a magic bullet. And that usually ties me over until lunchtime. So then lunchtime, usually run home and I'll have something pretty simple. I'll usually use like a cauliflower crust pizza with like some almond cheese and maybe, some ground beef or some ground turkey on it. And, I'm all about keeping the fats higher and keeping the protein moderate. And then I'm coming home for dinner and Amber's making a, whole array of different things. Could be cauliflower pizza if I didn't have it for lunch. Sometimes she'll make cauliflower lasagna where she's actually making noodles and like sort of a crust. There's so many different things that we have. So I would say for people that are curious a little bit more of like day in the life, like what I eat, it's more so about sticking to a specific kind of ratio of fats to proteins, more so than like specifically what I eat. Always consuming like asparagus and broccoli, like doused in like nutritional yeast. Like that's always like my snack with like every meal. It's very easy to not get your greens in on a ketogenic diet. But if you're covering it in tasty coconut oil and you're putting something tasty that's kind of cheesy like nutritional yeast, like I'm salivating like thinking about it. So